Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. First of all, I would like to wish everyone a happy Independence Day. Let's celebrate the bravery of our fathers and their gift of freedom. Today I'm making a simple and healthy breakfast recipe, Tricolour mini Uttapam. So without further delay, let's check out the ingredients now. We'll require 2 cups of idli batter. It has to be in room temperature. Then we'll need 1/4 cup of freshly grated coconut, 1/4 cup of finely chopped cabbage. Take 1 medium sized carrot and grate them. Chopped capsicum, finely chopped onion, salt, 1 teaspoon garam masala, chopped coriander, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt and pepper you can add more or less as per your taste. Now let's mix all the veggies and the spices. Let's start with chopped onions, capsicum, carrots, coconut, cabbage, coriander leaves, black pepper powder, salt, garam masala and lemon juice. Now mix everything well. Heat a pan and put 1 scoop of batter for each uttapam. Now generously put our tricolor veggie mix on each uttapam. Now put some ghee or oil on each uttapam. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes on medium flame on each side with the lid on. After 3 to 5 minutes, flip each uttapams and press them down gently. This will help the veggies to stick to the uttapam. Now put some oil or ghee again on the back side. This time prick the uttapams with the edge of the spoon. This will help the oil to get through the uttapams and cook them evenly. After 2 to 3 minutes, take out the uttapams and they are ready to serve. Serve them with onion chutneys or even some tomato ketchup. Hope you all enjoyed this recipe. For more such easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.